Good morning. It's not raining yet, and we're off to Epcot this morning.
Let's see if there's any rain there.
We're gonna get there for park opening, then run to Soarin as quick as we can. Go on Soarin, have breakfast, then we've got fast passes booked for Frozen at 9:35 and Spaceship Earth at 10:35. And then we'll probably just wander around. Maybe I might go on test track single rider if there's no queue. If it's not raining and still up.
Peaches and cream for ice cream.
Peaches and cream for ice cream, which I'm excited for. Because we haven't had enough ice cream this holiday already. And then, don't really know.
More than ice cream, and that's rain.
There's an Epcot bus coming in. So, shouldn't be too long to wait. Doesn't seem very busy in Olivia's cafe. It doesn't seem very busy in there. Have you heard what they're playing? Table service here. Have you heard what they're playing? Here Comes the Sun. It's alright. There's a little bit here. Don't care if it's alright, I just want it here. This is a new one, this one. This concourse, it's, I mean, I say new, it's the newest out of the other ones. I don't think this was here when used were last year. It's amazing what you can get done when you get here for park opening, isn't it? I mean, you must have had a bit of a burst of pace to get around here, because I thought I was catching up to these, and then you surged up that hill.
Oh, you're deceptive.
Yeah, because I thought I'd been too quick. And I'd pass you.
How many?
3.
For number 2.
Thank you.
How many? For number 2. How many? For number 2.
Heading into World Showcase and to Norway to do the Frozen.
There's no way I'm going to Norway.
Norway. The Frozen ride, I don't know what it's called. Frozen? I don't even know. Frozen something. But yeah, we'll go on that. Soarin wasn't actually that busy. Thought it was going to be a lot busier. Straight on. Test track's busy though, 70-minute wait. But to be honest, the park doesn't seem really that busy. I mean, I know this doesn't open until 11, but... What? It was empty. I remember when we were working here, and we used to probably start at about 9ish. Like load up all the stock, come down there through where those people are heading out. Bring your cars along here. There was no one. Along. No, these will be open because obviously. Look at the size. But yeah, it used to be pretty much dead walking along here. Because whenever we used to play this music, it used to just be some random music playing for most of the morning. And then when it got to about 10:30, the first few people started filtering through. Do you think to make it more like they're going to have to put a wall in here? Well, Mexico.
All right.
What does Trump want to do? Put like a big wall in here and... Heading into Club Cool, which is loads of different flavoured Coke drinks from around the world. My personal favourite is Beverly. My personal favourite drink in here is Beverly. Have you ever had Beverly? Do you want to try the Beverly? Strawberry one. Ooh. Barberry, sorry, not strawberry. Beverly, it's the best one.
You get a bunch of...
You'll have to get it from another one. It's the Italy one. That was Sparberry, which was nice. I know it's awful. I'm not having it. Actually, I will have a little bit of it to say I've done it. What do you think?
I don't know, I've just got the taste of it.
Yes? No? That's what she said. Nah. I'm gonna get something nice. We got some melon frosty, which is bright green because that's obviously nice and healthy. Bright green. Thailand. Yeah, Thailand. It's very melony. I'm going to try the Fanta pineapple. Well, that's me done. This one's nice. You got the melon one.
Yeah, I've had that one before.
Nice, the pineapple one. We've finished in Epcot for the day. Well, for now. Got on Soarin, Mission Space. What else have we gone? Frozen. We're going to go on Spaceship Earth, but the fast pass queue is half an hour away, which is not really worth it, to be honest. Some time we've already been on. So now we've come to the beach club to go to Beaches and Cream to get some ice cream. Sundays or Sunday.
Monday.
On Monday. Yeah, we're getting a Sunday on Monday. Breaking the rules. And then we're going to go to Hollywood Studios, do a few things before we'll probably end up going back to the room so my parents can have a nap. Because they like to nap. Napping is their favourite. These are cream ice cream, hot fudge and cream. We've got vanilla ice cream, hot fudge and cream. And the same over there. And these were only 3 snacks on the dining plan, which is pretty good. We're in Hollywood Studios. We're going to...
Still hasn't rained.
Still hasn't rained. Where are we going? What's it called? The Walt Disney thing. I can't remember the name of it. But it's a thing about Walt Disney.
The life of Walt Disney.
Yes, and it's that way as well, by the way. We'll just go around the back of the Star Wars thing. I think this is on in 5 minutes, I think. The Star Wars Galactic Spectacular.
Half past 2.
Is it half past? I thought it was quarter past. I can't remember. But they've got the show in progress signs.
Star Wars, a galaxy far, far away. 15 minutes show, the center stage.
Yeah.
Yeah, half one.
Oh well.
Always on the half hour.
Because if you stand around here at the end, the characters come down here and out there. You see them? There's a ride that's no longer a ride. It's a great movie ride, which will be coming soon as Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway at some point in life. I assume they're doing a lot of work inside. You would assume. I don't really know. That's my arm. It's called Walt Disney Presents, that's what it's called. In case you wanted to know.
Did you go in the hand for this thing?
I'd assume so. Yeah, there's a...
Like you walk around.
When you go on the ramp, you go down, don't you?
Yeah.
So I'd assume so. It's probably under here. Looking meet Groot and Star-Lord.
Last spot for stroller parking for Toy Story Mania, and the Buzz and Woody meet and greet is located right over here. Your stroller is left unattended and picked up to you.
Walt Disney Presents.
Who was the pig? I remember. John.
Those feet are so creepy.
Once upon a time, in a faraway land, a young prince lived in a shining castle. As the years passed, he fell into despair and lost all hope. For who could ever learn to love a beast? Bonjour! 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 Bonjour!
There goes the baker with his tray like always, the same old bread and rolls to sell. Every morning just the same, since the morning that we came to this poor provincial town.
Good morning! From the moment when I met her, saw her, I saw she's gorgeous and I fell. Here in town there's only she who is beautiful as me, so I'm making plans to go and marry Belle.
Muppet Vision 3D. 10 minutes till the next show. I'm sure we can wait. It's almost like it's jumping out. Good evening. It is 10 to 7. We finished in Hollywood Studios. I abandoned my parents and went on Star Tours again because you can't go on that ride enough times. It was different this time actually.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. They didn't have all the scenes from
Was it a new one?
The Last Jedi. It's stuff that I've seen before, but it was obviously different to what we've had this holiday, so that was nice. Instead of having the same one 4 times in a row. So yeah, did that, came back, chilled, got ready. And yeah, now we're heading to Magic Kingdom. We've got a fast pass booked for Big Thunder Mountain. And then we've got a character breakfast, not character breakfast, character dinner, that's the one, yeah. At the Crystal Palace with Winnie the Pooh and friends at 7:55.
Let's rumour that Harry and Meghan might turn up there as well.
It won't happen. Weather update, it hasn't rained yet, but there's still time because last time we were at Happily Ever After I got soaked, even though I had a waterproof on, which obviously wasn't waterproof, but we'll not talk about that. I'm still not bitter about that. So hopefully it'll stay fine. Forecast is for it to stay fine actually for the next few days, I think. So we'll see what happens, but not as much. But yeah, we'll see what happens.
Come in, Karen Kirkwood.
I don't know who that is. Is that the ITV?
That's the BBC one.
BBC one, close enough. But yeah, Get the bus to Magic Kingdom, pray it doesn't rain. Big Thunder Mountain character dinner at the Crystal Palace, which is really nice actually. Festival of Fantasy. It's a festival of fantasy. Should be something on the castle. Happily Ever After's done, so now it should be the fairy tale thing with Mrs. Potts. I think it's what was on last time when we were cutting through. But I don't know, because obviously Happily Ever After I thought was on at 9 o'clock and it was actually on at 1/4 past, so who knows. That's where we had our character meal. Crystal Palace. The expensive Crystal Palace. Food was nice, but I wouldn't pay that. What was it, $43.99? $47 I would not pay. Just for the meal. I'm assuming soft drinks will probably be included though. Yeah.
No era porque podría ser la campaña
And we're now leaving the Magic Kingdom. Nothing's happening on the castle. So they've stopped the music as soon as I said that.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, in just 5 minutes we will proudly present Once Upon a Time.
Close enough.
In order for you to fully experience tonight's presentation, the lighting around the Magic Kingdom will be used. For your own safety and for that of others, we ask that you remain in the same location until the
story thing I was on about with Mrs. Potts.
Thank you.
I thought it was 10-15 minutes. I don't know.
Para su propia seguridad y comodidad,